कोणा बाइंड करपा जायना न्हू सगळ्यांक रायट आहा वी आर लिविंग इन डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इफ यू फेल्ट ओके इट इज नॉट दॅट party also should agree not to give him ticket. Party made up their mind not to give him ticket. We have a better candidate and we'll give it to the better candidate.
No, but
party is not supporting.
Party is not supporting. What was the reason?
Reason because the way he is, his attitude against the party, talking against the party. See, when party things are there, this has to be discussed within the four walls. Okay, and then you can't pull out value of the party on the street. So therefore, the party decided, Baba, this is what see. My stand. We want defense expenditure. The revenue comes in, but it's not a place where you can have it. Okay, they are having one time is fine. If they want to at all, if they want to have a permanent, let them have it in Mopa. The best thing. And since the defense minister is from Goa, he should understand people sentiment against the MOPA. The people of MOPA, themselves they are opposing. They are not happy. They say, okay, our day-to-day living life had taken by government. They had a high hopes on this government. They said our day-to-day living life had taken away. Tendering see, many things can happen. Nothing going to next 3 years. Nothing going to happen. Take it from me. Nothing going to happen. And next, who knows which government is going to be next?
Yeah. To me, but your options.
I'm waiting. People will going to be with me, and I'll make sure I'll give people clean chit. There will no MOPA airport at all.
MGP आणि तुम्ही बराबर असू शकता.
Who?
MGP आणि तुम्ही.
No, never.
तुम्ही एकलेच येतले.
Yes.
हॅलो. तुम्ही काँग्रेस गोवा फॉरवर्ड
कोण लागणार? फॉरवर्ड बॅकवर्ड कोण लागणार?